Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Wells Fargo's travel benefits. Alright, let's get straight into the video. So the first thing I'm going to do, you're going to need to review the travel benefits terms and conditions. Just to have a better understanding on what's going on there. And you also need to understand the types of travel benefits that are available. There are a couple of them, so you want to go through them and make sure that you understand them. You also want to review the travel benefits eligibility requirements to ensure that you are in fact eligible for the particular travel benefit that you're aiming. You also want to try to understand the travel benefits claims process, because there's a process to that, and you want to make sure that you understand that process to be successful. You also want to review and understand the travel benefits exclusions and limitations. So you got to go through that and make sure you have a good understanding of that. Also consider setting up travel benefits alerts. That way you get to be notified whenever there's a travel benefit available. You also want to review and understand the travel benefit programs details, just so you have a better understanding of everything else. And if you need more clarification on things, you can just contact Wells Fargo's customer support, and they're going to help you sort out those questions. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Wells Fargo's travel benefits. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.